All right, it is time for sourdough pancakes. So I start out with half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of milk, and 1 egg. Can't crack it at the same time. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So just gonna loosely mix this up. And to that, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, after the sugar, then you'll add 2 tablespoons of your sourdough starter. Now, mine's still pretty active. If yours is not active and it's been in the fridge, still 2 will work. Be right back. All right, so let's see, the starter's in there. I'm just mixing it up. This takes a while because it is sticky. I'll spare you the mixing. All right, we're back. I also added a teaspoon, that's 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not soda, powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of butter that melted on the stovetop. Just made some bagels. Here they are. They're mini bagels because I'm making them for some friends. And here's the secret. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I know, you're like, you're supposed to put maple syrup on the top of the pancakes. Not in our house, that's the secret. It's probably not a secret for y'all, but they turn out really good. My family doesn't like maple syrup unless it's inside. All right, I'll be right back. All right, time for the pancakes. As you can see, the skillet is really, really hot. I like them about that size. All right, I like to cook them until bubbles form all the way around. As you know, you've made pancakes before. I'll be right back. All right, so I just flipped them, and as you can see, they're rising decent. I don't make them super rising, but my family likes them, and like you usually do, the first ones you usually put on are not the most pretty, so these are mine. I make my daughter's special ones. I'll be right back on showing you those. Always make my daughter a Mickey Mouse one because she loves them. So as that one gets cooked on one side, let's see. Yeah. Those are ready. Alright, should have enough for one more. as you can see, the more you make, the prettier they look. And I'm not an expert at it, I just do it freehand, but a decent Mickey. Bubbles are starting on that